Hey guys, back with the weathered brick original, testing it with 4 blades. I really do see how people can like these better. They do look really cool, especially with 4 blades, but I just think they look better with C brackets, like the older R&Ms and stuff. Anyways, or like say reverse airs, because I think some of them use that bracket. Start off on low. Now, I'm wondering with such a powerful motor if you will actually be able to tell a difference between 4 and 5 blades. My guess is probably going to be yes. You know, with K55 fans, I don't think you can really tell a difference. Alright, go to medium. Unfortunate thing is you don't really get like a low speed or... Oh, what is that noise? Because it's not... There's some weird scraping noise that's kind of annoying. Not scraping, but like rubbing maybe. Getting a good breeze from it here. Go to high. Probably not. Yeah, see, it's definitely louder with 4 blades, and I don't know why that is. Getting a really good breeze from it back here. Yeah, I think you can tell a difference between 4 and 5 blades. K55 fans, you can't really tell much of a difference. I would like to see someone test difference between 4 and 5 blades, like in those CFM booths that they do to actually test CFM rate. What the heck is flickering? I have the door shut. I wonder if it's the lights, because one of them's really messed up right now. Now, something I'm wondering... Actually, never mind, because we kind of used that to test it. I was going to say... I was wondering if you guys even care to see reverse, but I think it kind of helps determine airflow. Like, you guys can physically see the airflow. You know, in the design house over there, which is one of the main reasons why I wouldn't want to replace it. Yeah, because you don't hear that scraping on medium, and you can actually hear it from back here on high. Test in reverse. Yeah, if I were to install this, I don't know what I would do, because 5 blades is childhood. Like, I can't think of seeing any originals that, you know, weren't 5 blades. I mean, yeah, they look better in some collectors, you know, viewpoints. But to other collectors, some just like 5 blades more. I think it depends on you know, what you saw as a child or what you had in your house as, you know, a child. You know, like I only saw 5 blade fans. So you can see the design house is going. I'm sure if I left it run long enough, it would start going quite a bit faster. But for a video, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I think it's going. Yeah, I think it's going faster. Anyways, there's the Hunter original, tested with 4 blades. Hope you guys enjoyed.